Install Yahoo Toolbar. A Yahoo toolbar allows you to do everything you can do on the Yahoo website. You can check your mails, find the latest news, do an online search, and even find out the latest weather. Installing a Yahoo toolbar is fairly easy. If you want to know how to successfully install one, here are the steps to do so. Check if you meet the requirements. Your current browser must either be Firefox 3.0 or higher, and Internet Explorer 8. The supported operating systems are Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. Get the installer. Type in toolbar.yahoo.com in the address bar of your browser and click the Download Now button. If you're in the main Yahoo website, scroll down to the bottom to the section labeled More Yahoo Sites. Click the Get the Yahoo Toolbar link. You'll be redirected to the site where you can download the toolbar. Click I agree on the next page that shows the software license agreement if you're using Firefox. If using an Internet Explorer, a pop-up box will appear. Click each of the corresponding boxes that you want installed with the toolbar. For instance, you can make Yahoo your default browser and search engine, install the Yahoo toolbar in your Firefox browser, if you have it, and set Yahoo Mail as your default email provider. Click I agree after. Install. If you're using Internet Explorer, you have the option to participate in their privacy policy. If you accept the enrollment, Yahoo will get anonymous information about sites you visit. Click Install, then Get Yahoo Toolbar. A pop-up dialog box will appear, asking you whether you want to download and run the application, or download and save it for later installation. Once you successfully install the toolbar, it will take you to a page for customization. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, you'll see a yellow bar at the top of the page, restricting the automatic download of the installer. Click the Allow button on the right side of the yellow bar. A window will pop up with an installation timer. Once the timer reaches 0, click the Enabled Install Now button. Once the add-on button pops up, click the Restart Firefox button. Customize. After installation, you'll see the Yahoo toolbar on top of your browser page. The normal components are the search engine, anti-spy features, mail, messenger, games, Yahoo Answers, bookmark, and Friendster. You can add additional features by clicking on the applications on the middle of the page like news, weather, and address book, among others. Each selected application is automatically added to your toolbar. To save your selected preferences, click the Settings icon on the far right side of the Yahoo toolbar. This looks like a gray, round gear. Click the Toolbar Preferences link. You can make further customizations at this point. If you're already logged in, you can choose to save your customized toolbar to your computer, or to your login ID so you can see this whenever you log into your account in any computer. If you're not logged in, sign in first to your Yahoo account so you can make a selection. Click the I'm done button once you finish with your preferences. Installing a Yahoo toolbar is easy regardless of the type of browser that you have. Plus, you can have your customized toolbar anywhere if you opt to save it to your Yahoo ID, and you can easily change your preferences anytime.